Hi, today we are going to see about the things that every parent's mom should have while teaching kids. Before that, please like, share and subscribe my channel. For any queries, please comment me in comment box. So let's get into the video. And the first basic thing that every parent should have is separate pencil, pen, ruler, eraser, sharpener, etc. and put those in pouch or a separate box. And give the same thing to your kids also, except pen, give them same pencil, eraser, everything. So they will also follow the same, which is a good habit that you are teaching your kids. And practice makes them perfect. If they don't follow it, no worries, it's okay, but they will definitely watch you. To draw for my son, so for that I need black pens and sketches. So black pen I use for highlighting the pictures. You can see first I draw with pencil, then highlighted with black pen and colored with crayons so that the picture looks good. It's markers, black and blue and red markers. This one also a must-have thing where you can write headings in big, and also you can use it in chart papers or in A4 sheet papers. And now crayons. This one is my son's crayons, and I don't use separate crayons for me. This is my son's. Here why I am using crayons means I used to make homemade stickers like this, this type of homemade stickers for matching and drawing. So I draw with pencils, then highlight with black sketch and then color with crayons for good looking. See? So these are important for cutting your cardboards, like making DIYs, DIY flashcards. So mostly this cutting knife you need for this one. And scissors I used to cut papers, that is, I used to make handmade and homemade stickers. And this paper punch for putting holes in paper and cardboards. So for my school days to till now, I am using this compass. This one you can use for making circles and cardboards or paper like that. Bottle caps, this is the one which I used to for making small this type of cardboard circles. And this one I just took from sellotapes, that holder. This also we can use for making circles. Now it's about notebooks and diaries. Everyone knows about the use of this diary or notebook better than me. So but I used often for notebooks and these diaries for writing things like about next videos which I am going to do, and homeworks for my son, in which topic or in what ways I can teach him differently. See, this one I have written some of the preparation for worksheets, and this one while taking online class, while attending online class, I used to take notes like how the teachers are teaching and in what ways they are teaching. That way I will write notes. Now files, I used to keep my son's exam paper and drawing paper safely here. Here are different files. One is for exam papers and drawing papers, and some are for worksheets. And here zipper bags and storage bags. These are also important things because these three I use for my personal use. These are for my son's storage things, cardboard, alphabets, and this one memory game. And here some of pencils and extra pencils and extra eraser. And these two are made a simple travel zipper bag activity book. About this I will put in my later videos. And I have one more large, I have large zipper bag. Here I have two cardboards, wooden puzzle cardboards, and its shapes inside. So zipper bags are also one of the most important things you must have. So now we are going to see about containers and storage boxes. So first let me name the container storage boxes, like what they are actually. This is a big storage box I bought for keeping my clips and hairbands, but now I am using for crayon storage box for my son. And this one is Horlicks container, and these two are Pediasure containers, and this one is Mirashiaka container, and this one is tea dust container, and this one we bought some fried rice, and now I am using as a storage box. And this one is cake box, and now it becomes a mixed color box, and below one also I am using as a crayon box. See, first here in this Pediasure box I am keeping glues and sellotapes, and this second Pediasure box I am using cutting knife, scissors, cardboards, and this Horlicks box I am keeping sketches and pens, and here some shapes, and here some homemade stickers. And in this box I'm keeping that circle shapes, that bottle caps and compass, and here full of crayons and sketch pens. And in this box I am keeping missed crayons, sketches, all, and that also crayons. So now if you are a parent that you want to teach a different way, means you should need these type of things also. Some of tissue box, some toy boxes, and this one gift box, and shoe box, A4 sheets, chart paper, double-sided sellotape, and some wooden clips, and also some of handmade stickers, homemade stickers. So these are the things which I use for my son to teach him different way.